Come ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, it's awesome.
And it flies?
Each week,
Hey,
there's a
Mr.
new
Stan.
journey from a permanent author.
What is this place?
A few friends
Your
with us,
Stan?
we about to travel on before.
Welcome, tiny human.
Ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
I think we're ready to go.
Get lost, Steve! You don't own the skies! Yeah, I am the skies! What's that, Nappy Watch? You've located him? Oh, I see him!
Deep in the forest where the poplar do grow.
Daknee, what are you doing?
He's experimenting with a brand new form of torture.
Well, Stan, I recently joined a band.
Joined a band? You're the only member.
We're called the No Codys Allowed.
As if I wanted to be a part of your group.
Application denied.
Application not submitted.
Where were we? Ah, yes. What you were just tickling your ears to was our epic ballad. It's about the library and all of our adventures. You could say it's a story, but in song format.
Best to leave the storytelling to the pen and paper and out of your ballads.
Actually, Cody, music is a great place for storytelling.
I beg to differ.
Application still denied.
The application never submitted. I didn't even practice for the audition. I could have been in your band if I wanted.
What was that?
Look out the window, Cody, and see who it is.
I can't move my head like you can't move your head. Careful, Stanley. Daknee has a lot of strange and unpredictable friends.
I hope it's the talking giraffe from the episode Stan Met Auntie.
That wasn't a giraffe.
Well, then who was it, Smarty Pants?
It was Auntie.
Says you.
Oh my. Wow.
Oh, barnacles. Still no giraffe.
That was the craziest, scariest thing I've ever done in my life. I was practicing my guitar, and this lady told me that I needed to jump out of a plane and land on a flying library and hand you this. Are you Stan?
That's me. That must have been Auntie. Hello, Stan. May I introduce Coy Bowles, author and musician. In fact, Coy plays guitar for the Zac Brown Band. He has also written some lovely books, including this one, Behind the Little Red Door. Wait, so you wrote this book?
Yes, I did.
Where did you get the idea for this book?
Well, I had an aunt named Aunt Millie, and she had a really amazing playroom. And to get into the playroom, there was a tiny door that only kids could fit through.
Ah, what's the book about?
It's about 3 characters, and they use their creativity and their imagination to go on these wild adventures, like visiting a place where there's red flying foxes, or there's a land of vegetable dinosaurs, like a Tomatosaurus Rex or broccoli raptor.
Nice.
Excuse me, Mr. Bowles. Considering you're a fellow musician, maybe you could settle a dispute between me and my friend here. Is music an acceptable form of storytelling?
Actually, it is, Mr. Antenna Glasses Computer Face Guy.
Hey, you know my stage name.
I wrote a song that tells a story about emotions. It's called I Got Feelings. I got feelings, feelings inside. I got feelings, they come and go just like the tide. I got feelings, feelings inside. It's okay to let them out, just do it with care. They don't have to hide inside, feelings are everywhere. I got feelings.
Wow.
Well, I guess I stand corrected. Or should I say, hang corrected. Songs can tell stories, but why can't you sound like that, Daknee?
Well, I'm a different kind of flower, Cody.
More like a weed.
So do you have any last piece of advice to give to our young authors out there?
Number one piece of advice, if you have a lot of creative ideas, make sure that you have a pen and a pad and paper around so that you can write or draw all of your creative ideas so they don't get lost.
Oh, that's good advice. Anybody got a pen and pad so I can write this down to have a pen and pad? Anybody, Cody? No?
Hey, so I've got a show tonight. I'd love if you could give me a lift because I really don't want to jump again.
No problem. I got you. See you later, Coy. Have a good show. Well, that's it for today, fellow story explorers. Remember to always be kind and never judge a book or a person by their cover. See you next time.
We all live in a flying tree, a flying tree. That's pretty neat.
Whoa! You just blew me away with that, Philo.
What?
You are in the band.
Really?
Yeah, baby, I knew I had the right stuff.
How about this? In this tree, possibility.
Oh, Cody, yikes. Did you stop the voice lessons?
No.
Oh, really? Wow. Well, I want to get you involved somehow, and I don't think on stage it's going to be the way to go. Oh, we need someone to carry our instruments. You could be Cody the roadie. Oh, but you don't have arms. Oof. I'm sorry, buddy. Application denied.
Just roll the credits already.
Books are a great way to expand your imagination. Consider picking up The Little Red Door for your next read.